Hi students, how are you? Welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss the most important theorem of standard 10, that is Thales theorem. The question may be asked in your examination as a state and prove Thales theorem. Another name is basic proportionality theorem. State and prove basic proportionality theorem, BPT. Done? So in that case you have to write the statement and you have to prove the theorem. So statement is Thales theorem, basic proportionality theorem says that if a line drawn parallel to one side of triangle intersect another two sides at two distinct points, then that line will be divided in the same ratio. That two sides of triangle will be divided in the same ratio is the statement. Done? So line is drawn to parallel to one side of triangle. So triangle ABC is given. So first we'll try to draw the diagram. So triangle ABC is given. Consider this is triangle ABC. Done? A line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle intersect other two sides in distinct points. So line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle. Consider that side is BC. We are drawing one line. Suppose that line is line L. This is one line L. So line L is there. So that line L is parallel to one side of triangle, and that side of triangle is side BC. Done? So this is given. Triangle ABC is given and line L is given. Line L is parallel to side BC of triangle ABC. In this case, if line L is parallel to side BC of triangle and intersect remaining two sides in two distinct points, line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. So line is already drawn to intersect other two sides in distinct points. So this line L intersects these two sides into two distinct points. That two points are, suppose, point D and point E. Done? So line intersect other two sides in two distinct points. Then these two sides are divided in the same ratio. So what we have to prove? These two lines, that means two sides of triangles, are divided in the same ratio, that is AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. That we have to prove. Done? So let's start with the given that in triangle ABC line L is a parallel to BC and intersect AB and intersect two sides AB and AC in points, which points? D and E respectively. This is given. In triangle ABC, line L is there. Line L is parallel to side BC of triangle, and that line L intersect side BC. This line L intersect two sides of triangle ABC, AB and AC at D and E. This is given. Done? Now to prove. What do you have to prove? We have to prove that these 2 points divides the sides in the same ratio, that is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This we have to prove. Done? Now we will do some construction for our proof. So we have to mention that construction over here. So your construction is join this B with E and join this D with C, and also draw perpendiculars DM DM perpendicular to AC, and EN, this EN perpendicular to AB. So construction is join BE and CD, join BE and CD, and draw two perpendiculars, DM perpendicular to AE, DM perpendicular to AE, or you can say AC, and EN perpendicular to AD or AB. Done. These are the constructions. Now we will start with our proof. So here we will consider triangle ADE and BDE. First you have to consider triangle ADE and BDE. So triangle ADE is this one, ADE. And triangle BDE. So triangle BDE is this one. Done. So first consider the area of triangle ADE. So area of triangle ADE. So what is the area of triangle ADE? Area of any triangle is nothing but the 1/2 into base into height. This is nothing but the 1/2 into base into corresponding altitude, that means base into height. So here we can write area of this triangle ADE as a 1/2. Consider base of this triangle ADE is nothing but the AD, and altitude, height, is nothing but the DE. This is base, this is height. Done. So this is the area of triangle ADE. If we consider this side AD as a base, so corresponding altitude is EN. So it's a 1/2 AD into EN. This is the area of triangle ADE. Done. Now consider area of triangle BDE. So what is the area of triangle BDE? Area of triangle BDE is nothing but the again 1/2 base into height. So it's a 1/2 base of this triangle BDE is BD, and height is nothing but the EN. So this one is base is BD, and height is nothing but the EN. Both triangle will have same height because this is the same side. So height of this triangle ADE and BDE will be same, and that will be equal to EN. EN is the common height for this both triangle. Done. So now we can consider the area ratio of their areas. Suppose this is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Now consider ratio of this both area of the triangle. Which one? Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE. So this is equal to, this will be 1/2 into AD into EN upon this one is 1/2 into BD into EN. So what is the simplification? 1/2 cut, EN cut. So that will be equal to AD upon BD. Say this one is the result number 3. Done. So this is about these two areas of triangle. Now next step. Again we can consider the area of triangle ADE, same triangle ADE, that is equal to 1/2 into base into height, same triangle. But now for this case, for that first case we have considered this side as a base of triangle. Now we can also consider this side AE is a base of triangle, so corresponding height is nothing but the DM. Yes, So area of triangle ADE is nothing but the 1 by 2 base. Now base is this AE and corresponding height is this DM. Done. So area of triangle ADE is also given by some another formula. That means if we consider base as a AE, so 1 by 2 base is AE, base is AE and corresponding height is DM. Corresponding height is DM. Say this one as a result number 4. And now consider the area of triangle DCE. Area of triangle DCE. DCE. This triangle DCE. DCE is nothing but this triangle. This triangle. So what is the area of this triangle? Base into height. Height is extended. If base is extended, then height is DM. So base is EC and height is DM. So area of triangle DCE is nothing but the 1 by 2 into base. Base of the triangle is EC into height of this triangle is nothing but the DM. DM. Say result number 5. And now we can again consider the ratio of this area of these two triangle. That is area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DCE. That will be equal to ratio 1 by 2 AE into DM upon 1 by 2 EC upon EC into DM. So this will be 1 by 2 cut, DM cut. So this ratio is equal to AE upon EC. Say this one as a result number 6. Done. Now consider area of these two triangles. Area of these two triangle. Area of the triangle BDE and area of this triangle DCE. Area of the triangle BDE, this one. Area of this triangle BDE and area of this triangle DCE. So what about these two triangle? Here we can say that area of these two triangle, area of the triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DCE. Area of these two triangle will be equal. Why? Because these two triangles lies on a common base and between two parallels. Now we have discussed one theorem in 9th standard. Area of two triangles lies between two parallel lines, and on common base the area of these two triangles will be equal. Here this DE is parallel to BC. DE is nothing but the line L, and line L is parallel to BC. So these two triangles lies between two parallels and on common base. So area of these two triangles will be equal. So here we can write the reason. DE is common base. DE is common base and two triangles lies between parallels. Which two parallel? DE parallel BC. Area of two triangles lies between two parallel and on common base the area will be equal. So these two area will be equal, and therefore these two ratio will be equal, and therefore we can write from result 3 and result 6. From result 3 and result 6, as these two area equal, these both ratios will be equal, and that is equal to AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC. Hence prove this we have to prove AD upon BD equal to AE by EC. Clear, students? Pause the video and note it down, and students please share this video with your friends. Thank you.